there's a term called fog, which is fats, oils, and grease. And that is gonna wreak havoc on your home's drain system. So don't put it down the drain. We get calls out to people whose drains are clogged, and when we get out there, it's just clogged with grease. And it's just because you're putting stuff down there you shouldn't. So when you're done cooking and that grease and everything like that, don't dump it down the drain. Get it, the empty soup can or something like that. Obviously not plastic unless you let it cool, but dump that into there. Let it turn into the solid. Throw it away.